Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to factory reset an Android phone. So let's say that you have an old Android phone that you'd like to get rid of, or you'd like to sell or give away to somebody. The first thing you should do is factory reset it. And we're going to show you how to do that right now. The first step to resetting your Android device is to navigate to something called Settings. Where exactly you're going to find settings on your phone will change from one device to another, but a pretty good strategy is to tap at the very top of your touchscreen and then swipe down. If you swipe down from the top of your touchscreen, a small menu should appear. In this small menu, you're looking for something that looks like a gear. On this particular device, the gear icon is at the very top of this menu. So when you find the gear icon, click on that. Or if you don't see it up there, just search around in all your icons to try to find that gear icon somewhere. Okay, once you've found that gear icon and clicked on it, you should be at the settings menu for this device. Here you want to scroll down until you find something called backup and reset. Okay, when you find something matching that description, you can select that and proceed to the next step. On the next page, we have some options to choose from, but the one that I'm looking for is called Factory Data Reset, and I'm going to select that. Now it's warning me that this is going to erase all the data from my phone's internal storage, such as the Google account, all the settings, all the apps, all the music, all the photos. And it's also telling me that I'm currently signed into a few apps on the phone right now. And if I'm totally sure that I want to reset this phone, I'm going to click the Reset Phone button at the bottom of this page. And on the next page, it still gives you one last chance to back out. So it's asking you one last time, are you totally sure about this? If you want to back out now, you can hit the back button. But if you're ready to erase everything on this phone, you can click the Erase Everything button. And now it is saying erasing data, and this is going to take a while. Something like 20 minutes later, my phone restarted, and this is what I see. This all looks good, but just to be sure, I'm going to try to click on Gmail and see if this phone can still check my emails. Nope, it doesn't have any emails associated with it yet. That's perfect. What about text messages? Those are all gone too. Excellent. I'm going to go to the telephone app, and it also has all the call history, all contacts are wiped clean as well. It's all looking very good. I'm going to check one last thing just to go overboard here. I'm going to check to see if my phone still has access to my photos. And no, it doesn't. Awesome. All right, at this point, it looks like we've successfully reset this phone back to factory settings. Awesome, good work. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.